Look at all this. That's cool. I had a lot of fun doing this, but it's also tiring. Look over there. It's the lake. Pond. And then here's the walking trail. Now that is beautiful. You guys, for some reason, there's no more checkpoints now. You guys, come check out this caterpillar. Where? Oh, look, it's right there. Cute little guy. You guys, this is kind of cool. Watch him move. He's got a bug. See, look how he crunches up like that. That's cool. You guys see that squirrel? Huh? Can I see a squirrel? No. You guys, look at this clearing. Look at that. Old trees. You guys, do I dare sit on this? I'm gonna sit on it. You ready? It's stable. Look, you guys. And look, at the end, it's in the air. We're floating. We're almost there. You guys probably can't see it. You guys, so we were driving up there. There's a road up there,